In this video, we'll look at how to add an automatic key column. If we look at this data set for a moment, it contains three columns. One is a date-time column, and we have two numeric columns. But there is no single text column, and text columns are necessary for a use in the breakdown of any visualization to tell the software how to split up or group the data. And to add an automatic key column which gives a unique identity to each of these rows, we go to calculated columns and we say new column and we select auto key. After we press the refresh preview, we see that we get a new text column where there is a unique value on each of these lines. If we press save and then go back to the dashboard and take a look at this visual table here, it shows us just one single row of data currently, despite the fact that the dataset contains multiple rows. And this is because there is no text column describing how this data should be split up. And we can change that by applying the automatic key onto the breakdown, by which we get one visual row per unique row in the original dataset, like this.